Thank you for taking these few minutes to take care of yourself. Welcome. Let's get a grip on your stress and anxiety. This short meditation is a space just for you to take a moment to pause, to release, to ground and connect to your center. There is no wrong or right way to meditate. It is a space where you allow yourself to focus on you. Make yourself comfortable any way that you choose. Close your eyes if you wish, and let's begin. Let's start with grounding. Simply breathe. Focus on your breathing, the breath in, the breath out. Picture your breath moving in your body, soft and easy, steady and calm. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw soften, your neck releasing its tension. Give yourself permission to be right here in this moment and simply breathe. There is nothing that you need to do and nowhere that you need to be, but here, focusing on you. As you breathe, notice where your body is holding tension. Locate the areas where your body stores this tension. Now with each exhale, imagine your stress and anxiety flowing out, away from you. Picture this clearly in your mind, whatever the source may be, flowing away with each breath. Release and separate yourself from the stress, worry, and everything you don't need to hold right now. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Now imagine a soft, steady light glowing at the center of your body. With every breath, this light grows warmer, brighter, filling your body with peace and reminding you that you are not your stress. You are not your anxiety. You are not your worry. Those are things that you experience. They are not you. See this light as your sacred space. Let it radiate through your body. This light is your calm, your clarity, your wholeness. When stress, worry, and anxiety come, this space is always here, ready for you to return. Take one more deep, grounding breath in. And let it go fully. Say to yourself, I am not my worry, my stress, or my anxiety. I am the calm in the storm. Thank you for taking these few minutes to take care of you. If this meditation helped you, I invite you to join our community. Give it a like to help others find it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I reply to everyone. And most importantly, you have a beautiful day.